The nervous system is vital for controlling and communicating information throughout the body. Nerve damage or injuries can disrupt this communication, leading to pain, numbness, or weakness. Fortunately, certain super seeds can support nerve recovery and repair due to their rich nutrient content. Here's a detailed look at 6 powerful seeds that can aid in nerve health and healing. Understanding nerve damage. Nerve damage can result from various causes, such as injuries, diabetes, infections, and autoimmune disorders. Symptoms can include tingling, numbness, burning sensations, or muscle weakness. While medical treatment is essential, dietary choices can also play a role in supporting nerve health. The role of nutrition in nerve repair. Nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals are crucial for nerve function and regeneration. Including super seeds in your diet can provide these essential nutrients and promote nerve health. 6 super seeds for nerve recovery. Flax seeds. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, flax seeds help reduce inflammation and support nerve cell repair. Add ground flax seeds to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a nutritional boost. Chia seeds. High in omega-3s, fiber, and antioxidants, chia seeds can enhance nerve function and reduce oxidative stress. Mix chia seeds into water or juice to make chia pudding or sprinkle them over salads and cereals. Hemp seeds. Contain a perfect balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, as well as protein and magnesium, which are essential for nerve health and repair. Use hemp seeds in protein shakes or add them to salads and baked goods. Pumpkin seeds. Packed with magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants, pumpkin seeds help protect nerves from damage and support their recovery. Eat roasted pumpkin seeds as a snack or include them in trail mixes and granola. Sunflower seeds. High in vitamin E and B vitamins, sunflower seeds support nerve health by protecting cells from oxidative damage and improving nerve signaling. Enjoy sunflower seeds as a snack or add them to salads and sandwiches for extra crunch. Sesame seeds. Rich in copper, calcium, and antioxidants, sesame seeds help reduce inflammation and support the repair of nerve tissues. Sprinkle sesame seeds on stir-fries, salads, or use tahini, sesame seed paste, as a dip or spread. How these seeds help nerve recovery. Reduce inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids in seeds help lower inflammation, which is crucial for nerve healing. Boost antioxidant levels. Antioxidants protect nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals, promoting faster recovery. Provide essential nutrients. Vitamins and minerals found in seeds support nerve function and repair processes. Enhance nerve function. The nutrients in these seeds improve nerve signaling and overall nervous system health. Latest research insights. Recent studies have highlighted the potential of these seeds in promoting nerve health. Research indicates that omega-3s can stimulate nerve growth and repair damaged nerves, making them essential for nerve recovery. Antioxidants in seeds help combat oxidative stress, which is linked to nerve damage and degeneration. Magnesium and zinc. These minerals are crucial for nerve regeneration and have been shown to enhance recovery from nerve injuries. Practical tips for including super seeds in your diet. Start small. Gradually incorporate seeds into your meals to allow your body to adjust. Experiment with recipes. Try different recipes and cooking methods to enjoy the variety of flavors and textures that seeds offer. Balance your diet. Combine seeds with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins for optimal nerve health. Stay consistent. Regular consumption of these seeds can maximize their benefits for nerve recovery and repair. Incorporating super seeds into your diet can be a natural and effective way to support nerve recovery and repair. Flax seeds, chia seeds, hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds offer a wealth of nutrients that promote nerve health and healing. Combine these powerful seeds with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle to enhance your overall nervous system function.